Have you ever wondered what it feels like to float in the vast emptiness of space? The sensation of being weightless, drifting without any boundaries, is something that only a few have experienced. Let me paint you a picture. Imagine the vastness of space, where stars are scattered like diamonds on a black velvet canvas. Imagine you're an astronaut drifting silently amidst the stars. The Earth is a distant blue marble, and the sun is just another star in the sky. You look around and there's this overwhelming blackness stretching in every direction. It's a sight that is both awe-inspiring and humbling. But what's even more unsettling is the eerie silence. It's a silence so profound that it almost feels tangible. No sound at all, not a whisper, not a murmur. Just an endless, unbroken silence. No whoosh of air, no hum of machinery, just silence. It's a silence that can be both peaceful and unnerving at the same time. Why is space so silent? What causes this profound quiet that envelops the cosmos? Well, it all boils down to one simple fact. There's no atmosphere in space. Without an atmosphere, there's no medium for sound waves to travel through. On Earth, sound travels through the air, water, or solid objects. These mediums carry the vibrations that we perceive as sound. When you clap your hands, the sound waves travel through the air and reach your ears. It's a process we take for granted every day. But in space, there's no air to carry those sound waves. The vacuum of space is devoid of any particles that could transmit sound. It's like trying to swim without water. Without a medium, the concept of sound as we know it simply doesn't exist. The vacuum of space is a perfect insulator for sound. It prevents any sound waves from traveling, creating an environment of absolute silence. In fact, it's so good at insulating that it absorbs any sound waves that try to pass through it. This is why space is often described as a silent void. This is why, despite what Hollywood might tell you, you wouldn't hear an explosion in space. The dramatic booms and crashes are purely a cinematic illusion. So, when you watch those epic space battles in movies, remember, they'd actually be completely silent. The silence would be punctuated only by the visual spectacle of the explosions. But don't think of space as just a silent void. This silence is not a sign of emptiness, but rather a canvas for the universe's wonders. This silence allows for some incredible phenomena. Without the noise, we can detect the faintest signals from the farthest reaches of the universe. For instance, astronomers can use radio telescopes to pick up faint signals from distant galaxies. These signals carry invaluable information about the cosmos. These signals aren't sound waves, but electromagnetic waves, and they travel just fine through the vacuum of space. They allow us to peer into the past and understand the universe's history. So next time you gaze up at the night sky, think about that eerie silence. It's a silence that speaks volumes about the nature of space. It's a silence that's allowed humanity to discover so much about the universe. Through this quiet, we've learned about the birth and death of stars, the formation of galaxies, and the mysteries of black holes. From the Big Bang to black holes to the possibility of life beyond our planet, the silence of space has been a gateway to countless discoveries. The silence of space isn't empty, it's full of endless possibilities. It's a reminder of the vastness and the potential that lies beyond our world. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in, Curious Minds. Your curiosity drives exploration and discovery. If you enjoyed this journey through the silence of space, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more cosmic wonders. Your support helps us bring more fascinating content to you. See you next time. Until then, keep looking up and wondering about the mysteries of the universe.